Hello everyone, so if you want to activate your Retro Razr mode on your Motorola Razr 50, well, first of all we're to swipe down from the very top of your screen. Now swipe down again to open up this tab, and by the default this option is not around quick settings, so we gotta edit. Find your little pen icon. Now scroll down to the very bottom until you'll find your Retro Razr. Now grab this icon, so simply hold it and let's drag it to the top. Let's drag it to the top to this section. Alright, now let's go back and let's find it on our quick settings panel. Here it is. So if we're gonna press it, it's gonna enable our Retro Razr mode. Just like that. Seems amazing to me. So now looks great. It's quite useful. If you want to close this mode and you've got enough of it, simply swipe up and go to your home screen, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.